By solving this, we get the value of EA1 is equal to 246.4 volt. And now we will calculate the value of EA2, as EA2 will be equal to VA minus IA2 into RA. Now we will calculate the value of EA2, as EA2 will be equal to VA2 into IA2 into RA. Putting the value of VA, IA and RA in this equation, we get now the value of armature voltage is equal to 200 volt. Putting the value of armature voltage, armature current and armature resistance in this equation, we get the value of armature voltage is now 200 volt minus the value of armature current is 120 ampere and the internal resistance is 0.03 ohm. In this problem numerical, we are only changing the armature voltage. At start the armature voltage was 250 volt. Now we have decreased the armature voltage from 250 volt to 200 volt. When the armature voltage will be 200 volt, then the internal generated voltage will be equal to, after solving this equation, we get the internal generated voltage is equal to 196.4 volt. That is, when we will decrease the armature voltage from 250 volt to 200 volt, then the armature voltage is decreasing from 246.4 volt to 196.4 volt. So these are the values of EA1 and EA2. Putting the value of internal generated voltage E1 and the internal generated voltage E2 in this equation, we get the value of N2 will be equal to, the value of EA2 is 196.4 volt and the value of EA1 is 246.4 volt. 246.4 volt, and the initial speed is given in this numerical is 1103 revolution per minute. After solving this equation, we get the value of N2 is equal to 879 revolution per minute. As we have already discussed, when we will decrease the armature voltage, then the speed of the DC shunt motor will decrease as well. When we will increase the armature voltage, then the speed of the DC shunt motor will increase. So as you can see in these equations, at the start the armature voltage was 250 volt. That's why the speed was 1103 revolution per minute. When the armature voltage is 200 volt, then the speed is 879 revolution per minute. Now clearly the speed has reduced from 1103 revolution per minute to 879 revolution per minute. That's it for this lecture.